You have brought life into this world. You've cared, comforted, carried, but somewhere along the way, you paused in front of the mirror and thought, where did my body go? Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, a plastic and cosmetic surgeon with over 14 years of experience. Now, if you're wondering whether you can reclaim your pre pregnancy shape and confidence, this video is for you. So, today we are diving into Mommy Makeover 360, the procedures, recovery, and the glow up you deserve. So, what areas does it address? Now, let's start with breast. So, pregnancy and breastfeeding, it can cause a volume increase, a volume loss, or sagging of the breasts. Now, depending on your needs, we may do a breast lift, an augmentation, or a reduction to restore the shape, volume, and the comfort. Next, coming to tummy. So, during pregnancy, the abdominal muscles stretch and sometimes separate. The skin also stretches, and you also gain a lot of fat. So, tummy tuck, it removes the excess skin, it tightens the muscle, and gives you a toned appearance. Next is the intimate areas. Vaginal childbirth, it can affect both the appearance and the function of the genital region. Vaginal rejuvenation, it tightens the tissues, reshapes the area, and restores confidence while addressing issues like urinary incontinence as well. Besides these, other areas like your arms, your face, your thighs, but all of these areas, they can gain fat, and we can do a liposuction procedure to remove fat from these areas so that you can come back to your pre-pregnancy shape. So now let's talk about the scars. So starting with tummy tuck, here when we remove all the excess skin, reposition the navel and tighten the muscle, the scar lies in the lower pubic region extending from one hip to the other hip. So if it's a mini tuck, the scar will lie in the lower part. If it's a full tuck, the scar will start from one hip to the other. Next, let's come to breast reduction. So in breast reduction, you will have scar around the areola and another scar going down and outwards. So this will help in removing the excess part of the breast and lifting your breast as well. After this, let's talk about the scars associated with breast augmentation. So when we are doing a breast augmentation, you will just have a small scar in the under breast region, and through this scar we'll place implants and you get an augmented and increase in size of the breast. When we do breast lift surgery, the scars are pretty much same as a breast reduction surgery. You have scar around the areola, a scar going vertically down and then outward. So these are the scars which are associated with these three different procedures. Now the recovery, it depends on the number of procedures which we are combining for your body. A full mommy makeover combining breasts and tummy and vagina, it will require at least 2 weeks of complete rest and 4 to 6 weeks of avoiding heavy exercises. So you will obviously experience some swelling and soreness, but this subsides in the next few days. You're also given medications to help you feel better. So every day you see an improvement in your body as the swelling subsides, and you start to see your results in almost 2 months time. But the final result, it takes around 6 months when all the swelling has subsided and you have transformed into your dream body. A mommy makeover is a customized procedure. It is not a single fit for all surgery. Every woman's body, it reacts to pregnancy differently. So we tailor the makeover to your needs. Some women will need breast reduction, some may want some might need flatter tummy, some might need augmentation. So you can opt for all of these procedures either at once or space them out depending on your health and your goals. So what is the ideal time for a mommy makeover surgery? I advise my patients to wait at least 6 months after delivery to allow your body to recover, to allow your physiology to go back into normal state. If you've been breastfeeding, I advise them to wait for 3 months for your breasts to settle. And most importantly, it is best to have a mommy makeover after you've finished having children. As future pregnancy, they will reverse some of the improvements and you can go back to the situation which you were to begin with. So if you've been thinking about a mommy makeover, let's talk. Your glow up isn't selfish, it's long overdue.